Prana. What is prana? Prana is our vitality. It's our life force energy. Yoga is said to create prana, to make us feel more energized, more vital, so that we have a huge, expansive, exuberant experience of our lives. Our prana travels along our central energetic axis, or our shashumna nadi. This is our energetic superhighway in our body. We could think of the shashumna nadi as the energetic equivalent of the spinal cord. So just like the spinal cord delivers neurological and physiological information to our bodies, the shashumna nadi delivers pranic energy and information to our energetic body. It's subtle, it's metaphorical, but by playing with prana, by trying to build it, by trying to acknowledge it, harnessing it, I guarantee you will feel more vital and alive in your daily experience.